Class, this is Mr. Perez again. I'm trying to show you how to include a shape within a letter in Illustrator. So, because I'm trying to include a drawing within the design, I pick a typeface that is a little more organic. So I went for a script. And remember, you can always go to, under the type, you can go to more from Adobe Fonts, and you get that window where it shows different choices. So when you go by the filters, you can go for script and you get more organic looking things. On this case, I picked a typeface that was a little kind of like organic yet clean. So I went for Vertigo. Okay, and I downloaded it and I included on my typefaces. So here we go again. And I want to put this moon within the type. To draw the moon, what I did, I drew an ellipse. I'm going to switch the color to yellow. Then I drew another one on top, and I play with the way it look. I'm concentrating in this area here on the overlap. Let's say that I like this one, then I can select both. I'm being careful not to select this one by accident. Then I can go to the shape builder tool, and when I hover over an area, you see how it get like highlighted? If I press option, it knock it off. And this is an easy way to draw a perfect shape. Nice and clean. See, I can include it here if I want. So it's all up to me which shape. Let's say that I like the yellow moon better. So I'm gonna put it here. And I go, it's gonna look like the E has some kind of a moon within the name. So I'm gonna zoom in to make this work out. So I want to make the moon to be part of my design. Okay, I don't need a character menu anymore because I got my typeface. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna make this moon to align better with the E. So I want this corner to be here. Okay. But that doesn't look right. So I'm gonna have to stick to the black arrow, and I'm moving it very smoothly, very slowly. And this is what I zoom in a lot because it allows me to do this kind of thing. This is getting there. It's not quite there yet. As you can see, it's not quite there yet. So I'm gonna try again with the white arrow, but now I'm moving just a little bit. I want to make sure that no snapping is on and no snapping is on, so it should be moving smoother. So I got the anchor point and I'm gonna move it a little bit more. This looks doesn't look perfect here. I can take a little more time and fix these things up. I'm trying to speed up the video because I don't want to make a video too long. So I'm not gonna be super detailed. You see here, it's also a little off. Because I want perfection, I'm gonna take it to the corner. There we go. And I can incorporate this shape within the E, but changing a little bit of the E, the look. The E was already expanded, meaning that it's not a letter anymore, but it's a drawing. Let me double check. I can check with the white arrow. If you see dots everywhere, that means that it's already expanded. Now, what I can do, I can select both. Okay. Then if I go to the pathfinder, you can go window pathfinder, you can go to divide. And now each area that overlaps have been cut. So for example, I can cut out this part of the design. So there's now like a hidden moon here, which makes it kind of neat. Let's say I can also outline this if I want. And you can come up with all kind of very, very neat tricks to play with this design. Let me pick a color from here for that stroke. You see how that goes? I can still select this and put a black fill if I prefer, or whatever color. Oops, it went for white. Let's make it black. There we go. So you can get really playful with these tools. So remember, if it's just drawing one shape with another, as I do a lot, to draw the moon, I use one shape with another, and then I selected both and went over with the shape builder. I could also use divide if I like, and I get kind of similar results, but it's a little more work on this case. But I get shapes, several shapes. Notice when I'm moving with the pathfinder, I use the white arrow because they're grouped together. If I use the black arrow, see, they move together. I will have to go to object and ungroup if I want them to move separate. Or I can just keep on using the white arrow. I hope this helped you and give you ideas for your logos. Take care.